Welcome to the vibrant world of paprika, a spice that adds color and flavor to dishes around the globe. Today, we'll uncover 40 fascinating facts about this beloved seasoning.
Paprika is made from ground capsicum annuum peppers, including bell peppers and mild chili peppers.
The spice can vary in color from bright red to deep brown, depending on the peppers used.
Hungary is famous for its high-quality paprika, with cultivation dating back to the 16th century.
The word paprika is of Hungarian origin, but the spice is used globally in various cuisines.
Paprika is not only a spice but also a rich source of vitamin A, providing immune support.
There are three main types of paprika: sweet, smoked, and hot, each adding a different flavor profile.
Sweet paprika is used to add sweetness without heat, perfect for garnishing and flavor.
Smoked paprika, or pimenton, adds a smoky depth to dishes and is a staple in Spanish cuisine. Hot paprika brings a heat similar to cayenne pepper and is often used in spicy dishes.
This spice is a staple in Hungarian goulash, adding color and flavor to the dish.
In Spain, paprika is an essential ingredient in both chorizo sausage and paella, imparting a distinctive taste.
Paprika can enhance the appearance of dishes like deviled eggs and potato salads with its vibrant color.
To maximize the flavor of paprika, gently sauté it in oil to release its natural oils before adding to your recipe.
Packed with antioxidants, paprika can help combat oxidative stress in the body.
Paprika contains capsaicin, a compound that can aid in reducing inflammation and pain.
In some cultures, paprika is used as a natural dye for textiles, thanks to its intense color. Paprika can improve heart health by helping to lower cholesterol levels.
This spice is widely used in rubs and marinades for meats, enhancing flavor without overpowering.
In Moroccan cuisine, paprika is a key ingredient in the spice blend known as ras el hanout.
Paprika originated in central Mexico and was brought to Europe by explorers in the 16th century.
Certain paprika varieties, like the Spanish pimentón de la Vera, have protected designation of origin (PDO) status. While most paprika is mild, certain varieties can pack a significant amount of heat.
Paprika is often used to add natural color to processed foods alongside its flavoring role. Paprika-infused oil is a popular condiment in some Mediterranean cuisines.
Rich in carotenoids, paprika may contribute to eye health and prevent age-related macular degeneration.
In vegan cooking, smoked paprika is often used to mimic the flavor of bacon.
Paprika can be stored in a cool, dark place for up to a year without losing its potency.
This spice complements a variety of cuisines, from Hungarian and Spanish to Indian and Moroccan.
Unlike red pepper flakes or cayenne, paprika's flavor is often more mild and sweet.
For a quick flavor boost, sprinkle paprika over roasted vegetables before cooking.
Paprika is believed to have anti-aging properties due to its antioxidant content.
The northern region of Spain, La Vera, is known for its smoky paprika production using oak wood.
In Mexico, a similar powdered pepper blend known as chili powder is commonly used. Sweet or smoked paprika can be used interchangeably in recipes, depending on your preferred flavor.
Paprika is often used to enhance the visual appeal of hummus and soups.
In some European countries, spicy paprika-based sauces are popular food condiments.
Studies suggest that the antioxidant activity in paprika may reduce the risk of chronic diseases.
Paprika's vibrant color is due to the pigment capsanthin, found predominantly in red peppers.
Capsaicin found in paprika is being researched for its potential to promote weight loss.
From enhancing simple dishes to being a culinary star in elaborate recipes, paprika is an everyday spice with global impact.